Welcome to my submission for MLH Nairobi Machine Learning Day. This is Shisui, an intelligent, multi-agent learning companion designed to help students study faster, learn more effectively, and actually make progress when taking on new and complex subjects. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it in person for the event, but I'm thankful that remote submissions were possible, so I'm still able to showcase the project here. Let's walk through what Shisui does and how it works, step by step. Shisui is built on a multi-agent architecture powered by Google's ADK. Instead of relying on just one big AI model to handle everything, Shisui functions like a small team of specialized agents, each with its own responsibilities. The planner agent acts like a coordinator. The course agent handles research, study materials, timers, and schedules. And the exam agent is responsible for generating tests, evaluating knowledge, and exporting results. Each agent has access to different tools, like the Perplexity Search API for web research, the Gemini API for generation, and even report generation and history tracking. To demonstrate how this works, I start a new session and confirm that Shisui is using Gemini. Once that is established, the first request I give the system is to help me study applied systems and embedded architecture. When I make that request, Shisui forwards it to the course agent. The course agent then performs a live web search using Perplexity behind the scenes and gathers relevant, real academic resources. It also goes ahead and includes curated YouTube content so that I have video learning resources as well. Everything is source-backed. Every reference is attributed. Once I have the material, I then ask Shisui to generate a 4-hour learning plan. The course agent takes all the collected material and breaks it into logical study blocks. This means the 4 hours aren't just a timer, they're divided into clear learning units, each focusing on specific sections of the content. This helps create structure and focus, and makes learning feel more intentional and less overwhelming. Next, I ask it to set a timer for me. After confirming the duration, 240 minutes, it activates the timer so that I can begin the study session. The timer runs in the background while I review the material, and Shisui tracks that as part of the learning history. Over time, these sessions build into a progress record that can show what you studied, how long, and in what sequence. Now let's assume the study session is done. To test mastery of the material, I ask Shisui to generate an exam based on the topic I've been studying. The request is handed off to the exam agent, which uses Gemini to generate a full exam. The questions are detailed, grounded in the study material, and designed to evaluate understanding rather than just memorization. The exam can include multiple choice questions, structured questions, and long-form answers, and the system can grade responses and provide feedback. On top of that, the test can be exported as a clean, formatted PDF ready for printing or saving. So within one workflow, Shisui can find resources, organize them, schedule a study plan, manage the timer, and finally generate an exam to test comprehension. It's a full learning cycle handled end-to-end by AI agents working together. And one more detail. The voiceover you're hearing right now is also generated using Gemini 2.5 Pro TTS, which means the entire demo is AI-assisted from start to finish. That's Shisui. Check out the repository for the full implementation, and happy coding!